Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing a dark mermaid makeup tutorial. And of course, if you'd like to see a simpler, prettier one, I guess, that uses the hairnet, check out this video. I'll be putting the link in the description. And of course, with this video, you can definitely switch up the colors anytime you'd like, as well as add or remove any steps if you don't want it. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. To start off, I will be gluing my eyebrows using this Elmer's glue because I do not have the purple glue stick. So I'll settle with this. And make sure to flatten that out while it's still wet. Then of course we'll be applying a translucent powder on top of that to remove the texture on the brows. Don't forget to brush off the excess. So now that's done, I will be using Marie's Theatrical Face Painting color in white, because I already ran out of a white face paint. So we'll be using this instead and still applying it with a beauty blender. Now onto the hairnet. This is an easier way. If you want to do this hairnet thing right above here, on your cheekbones, for contour, on your chin, on your neck, and all that, that's up to you. But as for me, I'm just gonna put this on my forehead, like just a contour here. And I'm gonna use a black face paint for that, to blend that in to my hairline. And just tap it in. Make sure to tap it lightly to avoid the hairnet from moving around. Now I'm just using black here. And of course, just like what I'm doing right now, if you only have a few colors for your face paint, you can use just one color and then just ombre that shit. So while you're on this face, be sure that it's as equal as possible, because once you remove the net, it'll be so hard to put back everything in place, like all the net holes, So even though you cannot see it clearly that much, be sure that, you're good with it. I'm good with that. It looks like a black mamba. Yeah, well, if you want to use this trick to be a snake or Medusa, feel free to do so. Now just dipping that in on my black face paint to blend that in to my hairline. Now I'll just be using a crease brush to apply the black eyeshadow for my contour and use that as an eyeshadow as well. And just tapping that onto your skin, like pushing it instead of swiping it. Now I just have here a purple, maroonish, violet eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna put that on the inner half. And I'm just pressing that hard on the face paint, basically. Now just a small eyeshadow brush right here to apply that under as well. And just with the same eyeshadow brush, I'm just gonna darken the outer half a bit as well as the crease. Now onto the eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna draw 3 fake eyelashes. Now I'm doing it with my eyes looking straight to the mirror because of my hooded eye, so it's not gonna look good if I do it like that. See? When I look straight, it looks normal. But when I do that, I don't know what to say. Now, I think I'm good with this for now. I'm just gonna do the same exact thing on the other eye, so good luck. Now that I'm almost done with the eyes, just remember that just in case you do mess it up or it's patchy, you can get your beauty blender that you use for your white face paint to just blend everything out. And when it comes to the scales, it's better to overdo it, just like for example with what I did on the forehead. Then just get your white face paint again and just go over it on top, like erasing it, but not really. And just take your time doing it with a very, very light hand. And just go over the edges. See, it's just so that the white will just be blending seamlessly, like an ombre effect to the black scales or whatever colored scales that you have. See that? See the difference? Here, it's kind of harsh. It's really defined with regards to the scales up to here. But when you cover it up just a little, just a tiny bit, you can still see through the scales beneath, but it's more seamless and more dimension to it. Like the scales is coming from within. And whenever you're doing this, it would be great if you have like an up-close mirror and one that's kind of far, just like this one, so you can see the vision. Because sometimes when you just have a close-up mirror, it's different when you look at it from afar, especially if you're gonna be using this at a party. Of course, you still want something to show through when people see you from afar. Feels like I've said afar too many times. Just really, really lightly. Do not swipe it, or else you'll be ruining the scales beneath. So let's see. I'll just be putting on the fake eyelashes and then put on some mascara as well as fake lashes on, and then we'll see. Now that the lashes are on, I'm just going to be applying my lipstick using a black face paint. Now onto some gills. Picking up black here with a really thin eyeshadow brush. And just blend that down a bit. See that? Now we're gonna get another, like a smaller, thin eyeshadow brush and apply a white face paint on top of the black, above the black, to emphasize the gills a bit more, just a tad more. Now I'm good with that. I think I'm gonna put 2 on my forehead just to make it more cohesive. So back to my eyeshadow brush. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, MavMav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.